guys, hello everyone. This is Jozida Studio. If this is your first time on this channel, you're welcome. Please smash the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And leave a comment down below in the comment section if you have any contributions or if you have something good to say about this video. Thank you. And if you're already part of this family, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to learn how to slice a text on Adobe Illustrator. Let's jump right into the video. First, we are going to type a word, Jozida. We're going to place it at the middle of our artboard. Then we are going to convert the word into an outline. Go to type, create outlines. The shortcut is Shift Ctrl O. And you're going to click on create outlines. We're going to pick the line segment tool and draw a line across the text. I'm going to hold Shift to give us a straight line. I'm going to bring that down a bit. Okay. We select the text and the line, everything together. And using our Pathfinder tool, Shape Builder tool, sorry. I'm going to click this. It's going to disappear in a bit, but don't worry about that. I'm going to take care of that one. So click here. Let me wrap this up a bit. Okay, there we go. We have succeeded in making the top part of our text disappear. So now we are going to rectify that. So I'm going to click on the text, right click, isolate selected group. You click on the top parts that you can't see, but you can see the outline. You hold Shift to select two or more. Don't forget to click on your selections that you can't see so that you'll be able to identify them. Then now we group it. Then we give it a color, let's say red. There we go. So when we select this, let's group the bottom to Shift and click. Let's name this red and name this black. And you move the text down. You can see you have a line in between the text, so you move it to any part you want. Okay, that's too much. You're going to just shift it a little bit. That's it. I think this is okay. So now here you go. You have succeeded in cutting a line through your text. So you click up here to go back one level back. It's just like you are breaking through a barrier to get to the particular text. So we're going to go back, take it back. So now we have a full selection of our text. That's how we cut a line through a text in Adobe Illustrator.